Dust on the harbor rail, morning smoke from the village trail. River bends like a long slow tale, calling me out, calling me out. Dust on my faded back, maps all folded, edges cracked. One small road that never comes back. I'm rolling